World Physiotherapy Day, 8 September 2014, Mewar Institute. Who are physiotherapists? Physicians add years to life. Physios add life to years. What my friends think, I do. Massager, massage wala. What my relatives think, I can do for them. What we physiotherapists actually do. WHO defined physiotherapists as who assess, plan and implement rehabilitative programs that improve or restore human motor functions, maximize movement ability, relieve pain syndrome and treat or prevent physical challenges, injuries, diseases and other impairments. Look, the strength, the power, pain reliever, support. We the physio dream for better tomorrow. Heal and cure the sorrows. We love breaking the waves because we belong to race of kings. Councils and Association for Physios. What is WCPT? Founded in 1951, the World Confederation for Physical Therapy, representing more than 350,000 physical therapists worldwide through its 106 member organization. WCPT designated as World Physiotherapy Day on 8 September 1996. The reason to celebrate this day. President of IAP, Dr. Ali Irani, Dr. Uma Shankar Mohanty, Dr. Deepak Kumar. Movement for Health World Physical Therapy Day. The Indian Association of Physiotherapists. It is often safer to be in chains than to be free. One nation, one association. Join hands, join us. Join INPA, Indian National Physiotherapist Association. The future is here. Join hands, join us. Fields for physiotherapists: cardiorespiratory, neurology, orthopedic, musculoskeletal, pediatrics, sports, community-based rehabilitations, obstetrics, gynecology. Physiotherapy in Mewar. Dr. Rituraj Verma, Head of Physiotherapy Department.
Dear students, the difference is that a successful student gives results and unsuccessful student gives reasons. My dear students, the physiotherapist alone is responsible for interpretations of referrals, the initial examination, evaluation, diagnosis and prognosis, the development and modification of treatment plan, re-examination and the oversight of all documentation. So, dear students, and all my colleagues, be caring, be honest, responsible and reliable, contribute effectively to your team, and at last, feel proud to be a physiotherapist. That's all from my side.
The faculty members of Physiotherapy Department, Mewar Institute of Management. OPD in Mewar. Dr. Vikas Verma with students. Labs in Mewar. Recent activities in Physiotherapy Department. Future scope of a physio. Fact to be learned from balloons. It's not what outside, but what's inside that takes you to the top. Physiotherapy has been chosen as toughest course among all the courses including CA, IAS, IPS and MBBS. But Guinness Book of World Record 18 August 2011. Proud to be a physiotherapist. What physiotherapist can earn? Listen. Somebody asked me, "You are a physio? How much do you make?" I replied, "How much do I make? I can make holding your hand seem like the most important thing in the world. I can make you walk when you can't. I can relieve your pain when pills can't. I can give you hope when you have lost one. I can make you get up from a wheelchair. I can keep you fit, healthy and strong. I work all day to make my patients live. I will drop everything and run to make sure you never fall. Today, I might make your life complete. How much do I make? All I know, I make difference within you. Proud to be a physiotherapist." Physical therapy, a natural path to better. The Physiotherapist Pledge.
I will respect the rights and dignity of all individuals and will provide compensate care. I will be trustworthy to my patients and clients and in all other aspects of physiotherapy practice. I will place welfare of my patients and clients above my own self-interest. I will provide accurate and relevant information to my patients and clients about their care and to the public about physiotherapy services. I will exercise sound judgment and comply with laws and regulations that governs physiotherapy and protect the public from unethical, incompetent and illegal acts. I will maintain professional competence and promote high standard for physiotherapy practice, education and research. Yes, I will address the health needs of society and strive to effect changes that benefits patients, clients and the community. I will respect the rights, knowledge and skills of colleagues and other healthcare professionals and seek consultation wherever the welfare of the patient or client may be advanced.
Thus, with this pledge, I freely accept the responsibilities that accompany the practice of physiotherapy. Physiotherapy, the key to a healthy tomorrow.